Hi guys, this is Mr.Z and I'm going to solve SAT math questions for this channel. Let's get started. What is 10% of 470? First of all, we change this form, guys, in a fraction, which makes 10 over 100, and we multiply it by 470. So we can simplify it before we multiply them. 10 over 100 makes 1 over 10. So 1 over 10 times 470 is going to be equal to 47, which is B. Next question. Which equation has the same solution as the given equation? So let us find our solution first of all. 4x plus 6 is equal to 18. First, we subtract 6 from both sides. So 4x is equal to 12, and x is equal to 3. Okay, so if you check the guy's answer choice C, 4x is equal to 12, x is equal to 3, it has the same solution. Okay, so answer choice C is the correct answer. Next question. The total cost in dollars to rent a surfboard consists of a $25 service fee, which will be a constant number in our inequality, 25, and $10 per hour rental fee. A person rents a surfboard for 3 hours and intends to spend a maximum of $75 to rent the surfboard. So the rental fee is, guys, $10 per hour, which means 10T. 10T, and it'll be, guys, less than or equal to 75. The intends to spend a maximum $25 means it'll be less than or equal to $75. Okay, so this is going to be, guys, our inequality for this situation. So the correct answer is going to be D. Next question, question 4. The function g is defined by g of x is equal to x squared plus 9, for which value of x is g of x is equal to 25. Okay, we just need to, guys, make this function equal to 25 and solve it for x. X squared plus 9 is equal to 25, and we subtract 9 from both sides. X squared is equal to 16, and x will be positive negative 4. We have positive 4 in answer choice A. Question 5. Each face of a fair 14-sided die is labeled with a number from 1 through 14, with a different number appearing on each face. If the die is rolled one time, what has the probability of rolling 2? So this is the, guy's, probability favorable outcome over total outcome. Our favorable outcome is 1 because we have just 1 2 on this die, and then our total outcome is going to be 14 because we have 14 numbers on the die. So 1 over 14, answer choice A is the correct answer. Next question, question 6. A printer produces posters at a constant rate of 42 posters per minute. At what rate in posters per hour does the printer produce the posters? First of all, guys, we can write the rate, which will be 42 posters 1 minute, and we just need to convert it in hour. So if we use the, guys, equal ratios, equal rates, so we can solve it for x using the cross products. So what we can do, first of all, we need to change the 1 minute in an hour. 1 minute is 1 over 60 hour. 42 divided by 1 over 60 is going to be equal to x over 1. And then we can use the cross products. 42 times 1 is going to be equal to x times 1 over 60. So x times 1 over 60 is equal to 42 times 1, which is 42. And then, again, we can multiply the, guys, 60 by 42 to get the x alone. So x is going to be equal to 42 times 60, which is equal to 2,520. So we can say that, guys, this printer can produce 2,520 posters per hour. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.